Hey guys, it's Big-bobux here, and today we are going to be planting C4s in people's houses. Alright, let's get in the video. Alright, let's go plant C4s in people's houses. Bag, C4. Let's go, shotgun and taser. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's do that cool movie walkout thing. I can't do it right. Let's go blow up this man's car. Hold up. Let me in, you bozo. Ah! We'll plant. What are we? Alright, let's see if we can find it. How do I get in? Dang. I'm gonna try to blow up the way in. Anyway. Pregnant ladies, bro. Okay. Blow. Ah! C4. Just get him. Get him.
I will unsubscribe.
Kill him. Get him. Prank him, John. Ah! Ah! He said a bad word. Yeah. Get. I'm gonna call him a bye, you big. I'm gonna call him a baka. Baja. Alright, let's go, Baja. Get. Bros. Oh my gosh. We're going to someone's house. Ugh. Turn that off. I'm making a YouTube video.
On Roblox?
Yeah, I'm planting C4s in people's houses.
Here, I'm gonna start recording.
Yeah.
It's little Roblox in the basement.
Alright, we are gonna plant C4s in this man's car. No! Stop falling, you bot. Oh, it worked. No! This car explode. Run away now. Get bucketed. Get him. Prank him, John. I'm gonna break into someone's. What? I ran over. Ah! I'm scared. What happened?
What's up, guys? Today I'm playing Brooke.
Yeah, I'm looking for. I'm gonna rob someone's house.
Because I know everybody loves so Lamborghini. Or should I say a Ferrari?
I'm gonna go plant C4s
It's a little Big-bobux
in his house.
here.
C4s.
You don't know who I am. That's just crazy. Because I am a cool YouTuber.
So we are gonna look for nerds.
I'm gnarly.
How do I get in?
Subscriber, but please help me.
Explode. See if
I made this YouTube channel yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go look for houses.
because I really need help. Today I am going to Brookhaven, and I'm gonna see what will happen. If anybody's gonna try to break into my house.
All right. So we're gonna try to blow up some dude's house. we're gonna plant C4s in it and explode it.
Alright, I'm gonna
I cannot find the person.
real quick.
There's no house besides Patricia's.
Did you guys know that brothers are so making YouTube vid? What you
Explode. Bop. Explodey. Get nutted. Nerd. You baka. You big sussy man. I will eat you. I will spank you.
Yes, Spencer, I have a bull right house now.
Yes.
Don't mess with me. He's gonna try and hurt me.
Alright, where are these people's bakas?
Can we
I'm sorry, guys. There's no houses anywhere that say anybody's name besides that one Chica's house. I can't get in her house, so I'm sorry.
I gotta have to go use the bathroom.
Anyways. Alright, what houses are there? Who owns the houses?
Alright, so guys, I'm
Okay.
back from the bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed.
How do I get in this person's house? So annoying, man. Oh. He's done. What? Well, I can't plant C4s in this man's house.
Hey guys, let's just keep on going. I'm gonna go to bed. So if this guy robs me, I'm in my bed.
Hurdle. I can't open houses. C4, get nutted, you nerd. What screams? Shot. Ban him. Shut up, you baka. Ban him. You better ban him. What the? Do something. Let's kill Elsa. Dollar store. Elsa, get her. What happened? Bro, what happened to this man? Let me in. I'm looking for a house.
That would be very bad. Somebody broke my house.
Wait. I'm banned. There. No. Oh, let's see if I can go in this guy's house. Wait. Hello? See, what? I'm banned too! No!
Colton,
Who is pretty girl?
I'm pretty girl. Listen, I'm a little bold.
Quum's
I'm a little bold.
Yeah, Quum. My little brother's a pretty girl, by the way. Just to let you know, he's a fatty and he's a baddie. Like 1, 2, 3. Where are these nerds? I'm gonna have to rob them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why? I'm gonna rob a police station. It's completely smart. What if I become a police officer and rob someone's house? That would be weird, guys, right? I'm gonna shoot you, lady. Die, you block lady. Die.
I swear.
C4. Get nutted on, you nerd. You baka. Grocery. What's in here?
Okay, I get
Free food, baby.
banned.
What?
Ban her. Ban her.
I'm blow.
Baby.
Ow!
Yay. Thanks. That was
Thanks, you big.
uncomfortable.
Yeah, up.
Thing. Sis?
Nobody owns.
Yes.
I'm gonna go break into this lady's house. Can I get in? Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't. No!
Did you just get kidnapped? Because I just saw you.
Where are people? Where are these?
I looked on the camera, I saw you running up ahead.
Explodey.
You just got kidnapped right in front of people.
I'm getting kidnapped because I'm a C4. I'm scared. Club is not. Shut up.
I hope my brother don't.
I'm gonna find people. I'm gonna plant C4s in people's house. I'm scared, bro. Yes. Up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Okay. Up. Yeah. Okay. Just keep going up. Shawty's like Oh, you. What happened? I did all that for nothing. I just want to explode someone's house. Santa slate. I'm gonna rob this kid's. Everybody get your butt on the ground. C4, baby. Okay, bomb. C4. Okay.
Did someone just blow a bomb in front of my house?
Where are these people? I done nothing. Get my C4 out. C4. Explodey. This. I'm gonna stoop people's windows out. Hey! Die! Ah! Copper! Cop, stop it. I'm scared. You pig. Die! No! What is this? Yeah, the SWAT shield? What? Huh? I'm just sitting on your couch and explode it. Just catch it. Ow! Enjoy your...
Oh, yeah, that's how you walk. I thought it just goes away.
I'll tase you. No! Stop! No, you're bullying me. Haha, get exploded, you bot. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money, mister. I'll throw C4s in your house. Give me money. Give me Robux, you baka. Big stinky old man. Freaking man fart. Anyways, I'm looking for someone else's house. He's annoying. He can die. Baka booty. Where's people's house? Ooh, let's go to this house. I'm gonna get my gun out. It's locked. Why is it locked? Open up! You meanie. I'm explode. 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 Exploded. Get bodied. Get bodied, you baki. Booty butt. BB. Stop it! You're so bad. I can't do it. Oh, stop. Give me my C4 back. No. Where's my I cannot get in this house. Who is this? C. Murrow's house? I can't get in. Why can't I get in C. Murrow's house? Who even is C. Murrow anyway? Who are these people? I break this house. No. Oh, that was easy. Okay, time for a gun. Let me get my. I'm gonna get my C4.
Let me just go ahead and go back in my house. I wanna go swim.
Hey. Hey.
Don't rob my bank.
Give me money.
No, I got wrong.
Give me money.
I have to go.
Give me money. Give me money, you big baka.
Oh,
give me money.
Want to be rude?
Give me money. Give me money. I will shoot you. Thank you. How do I get it?
Look, I got you some.
Yay, money.
Now I have to ban you.
No! Stop! You're so mean.
This guy broke into my house.
I still got money though, baka. I got my money. I got my money. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. And make sure to like and subscribe. I'm out, baby.